Lone Star Rocker here. So I'm at work right now, and one of the guys at work is a master Lego builder, which is pretty fascinating. It takes a lot of time, dedication, and a lot of these Lego sets are incredibly expensive. But he builds them and he sets them up here at work, so I'm going to take some video and let's go look and see.
So why won't it work?
This must be the from the Christian Bale series there. It's pretty cool. The Avengers set.
So that's where we
Volkswagen Bug. It's pretty cool. It's got the magic bus going on. Little rack in the back. Pretty cool. It's the Fab Four right there. So I came home from work. I'll have to show more of those Legos later. There was a lot going on at work today, so there's plenty more to see. So that's just a little bit for now. But I just got to wrap up a little bit more work, and then I'll go pick up my daughter. So I'm sitting here looking at bass guitars. Do you remember the guy I emailed with the Rickenbacker? Well, no response. I guess the guy finally took the ad down, so somebody snatched that up. So. But check this out, this US Fender P bass 5-string. This guy wants a decent price for it, but look at all the stuff he's throwing in. Man, you get stickers, all this stuff, man, accessories. Look, there's even something to tighten up the truss bar and all that stuff, the truss rod. So, but anyway, it looks interesting. This might be a good bass, but we'll have to check it out, take a look. But there's tons of basses on here. This actually looks pretty interesting. Another 5-string Fender bass, but I probably just want a regular old 4-string bass, man. Something in a good price range. But after last night's show, or Wednesday night show, everybody's playing Fender basses, man. Very popular to have that standard Fender bass. Here's a Jaguar bass. This one's not too bad. Looks pretty cool. Anyway, I wanted to show this to you. This is pretty cool. This is the crystal necklace that I bought, and believe it or not, ever since I had this, I don't know if you believe in this stuff, but ever since I had this thing, I've been feeling 100% positive, you know? I don't know what it is. I feel a lot better. I feel happy and all that stuff, but it broke. So now I got to find a clasp for it. So I don't know if you believe in that, the power of crystals and stuff, but if you do, leave a comment down below. Well, I just got off work, and I'm going to go take my daughter to swim lessons now. It's a pretty beautiful day out, a little cloudy. I guess they say that there is a atmospheric river headed this way. So I guess we're going to be getting some rain, I have a feeling, soon. So, but try to go find something fun to do, post some videos together for today. Have a chill day today, but maybe do something fun. So let's go take a look. Hey, but I found out we're not getting our couch when I thought we were. What do you think about that? You don't care?
I don't care.
Well, I do. My butt cares. I wanted to sit on that couch and recline. The recliners. Hey, so I'm going to go ahead and rent this tonight and check it out. This was suggested by the Vloggingtons, so we'll see. This is pretty good. I've heard some good things. Uh-oh.
President! It does say
President's Day, all right. So soon. You ready to go swimming?
Uh-huh.
Look at everybody's in there swimming. All right, let's go.
You do swimming!
What's the most important thing about swimming?
Because you have to swim.
Yeah. What's the most important thing?
I'm swimming.
Holding on the side of the pool?
You're the pool. Not me.
Who's the best swimmer?
And I don't know. Maybe
Ariel, the mermaid.
Ariel, because she is a mermaid. She could
If you
swim
could,
in
if
the
you
air.
could be anything in the ocean, what would you want to be?
A dolphin.
Why?
That's a nice.
Why?
It does eat fish and it beats nice at other dolphins.
Do they help people?
Help people
Against sharks?
against sharks.
Like if you were being attacked by a shark, would a dolphin help you? Can you talk to the dolphins?
No.
What do you think? You good? You did what?
It was gonna be good.
Violet, what's your favorite song right now?
This one.
What's it called?
What did you get?
What's it called?
Slime.
Slime Creatures from Outer Space? That's a good one. There's a nice sunset in Texas for you. A little competitive with South Florida at the moment, so South Florida's been known to get some really good sunsets, but that's pretty beautiful, I have to admit. So we made it home after being stuck in traffic for a while, and I wanted to show you something that's pretty cool. I need some better lighting in here. Anyway, this is my Micron, Alesis Micron. This is my keyboard. I do like to collect little weird keyboards and stuff like that, and this one's pretty cool, so I'm going to try to set it up. I got these monitors here, and got them all connected. Let me see if I can get some more light in here. Help at all? That help? I don't know if that helps at all. Anyway, so I'm gonna hook that up. I don't think I need a cable. I need a cable to come from here to the Alesis, and I need to get power. Okay, I got power. I think that's what I'm looking for. Splits to one of these bad boys right there. All right, so let's hook that up. Here. Put this in here. Okay. Hopefully it won't blow out the speakers here. Turn that on. Whoa. Turn the volume down. Always turn the volume down first. Speakers can't handle the low end. Whoa, look out. Take me to Yolita. Yes. That is the sound I'm looking for. Dude, I should prank phone call somebody on this right now. All right, so here's my SK-1, and this is totally something from the 80s. These are pretty desirable now. A lot of people have been modding these out, which is kind of cool. If I knew anything about electronics, I'd probably give it a try. But these things are still kind of collectible and pretty desirable. The only bad thing is like a lot of people, they lose the battery. You lose the battery pack on these, so you have to be, you got to improvise like a Marine, What's really cool about this is it's got a little sampler on it. And back a long time ago, that was a pretty cool thing to have for the affordability that this was. So let's see if I can find some batteries. All right, I found some batteries, I think. Here, so let's give it a try. Here, let's say, oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! So I can, we used to prank phone call people with this thing all the time. Oh yeah! How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Hey man, what's happening? Hey man, what's happening? Hey man, what's happening? All right. So that's kind of fun, huh? So anyway, that's the Alesis and the SK-1, and somehow if you incorporate them together, it kind of is fun. So what I like to do is take the Alesis and combine that with GarageBand and a lot of the preset sounds that are in that. And if you can combine a couple different keyboards together into GarageBand, you'd be surprised, especially with some of the preset beats that they have and some of the patterns, you can come up with some pretty amazing stuff. So I'd say if you can get your hands on that software, go for it. So if you have any comments about that, please leave them down below. Please subscribe to the channel. Really trying to kick off this YouTube experience. Thanks for hanging in there and watching some of my videos, and I want you to have a most excellent night.